It's never too late to make the switch to a non-toxic lifestyle. It really does start within your home with the simple, everyday habits and tasks. Your choices add up over time, and you can truly create a healthier environment for you and your family. It doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 4 easy habits that we've done in our home that have helped us make the switch. One easy habit is to switch to sustainable cleaning products.
Conventional cleaners often contain harsh chemicals and cause environmental harm. Truly Free Home's non-toxic cleaning products are safe alternatives to these conventional cleaners. They're just as effective, but without the harmful residues. Truly Free is an easy, effective habit that provides cleaner surfaces, fresher air, and a greater peace of mind. What's even better is that their formulas are concentrated so they last longer, reduce plastic waste, and eliminate the need for multiple products.
Another easy habit is to grow a simple garden with your family. Here are some great ideas that I love. I also love herb gardens. Those are so fun for little kids. They like to take care of them, and it also educates them on sustainability. Third, use a diffuser instead of an air freshener or candles.
Traditional air fresheners and scented candles often rely on synthetic chemicals to create their fragrances. This impacts your indoor air quality greatly. By diffusing essential oils, you're choosing a natural, toxin-free way to freshen up your home. Not only do essential oils smell amazing, but they also offer benefits like reducing stress, improving focus, and boosting your mood.
Fourth, use natural personal care products.
Conventional skincare and beauty products are often loaded with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin. By choosing natural, non-toxic alternatives, you're nourishing your skin with safe, plant-based ingredients. They're more gentle on your body and help reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. By adopting these small daily habits like switching to sustainable cleaners, growing a garden, using essential oils, and choosing natural personal care products, you're making a huge impact on your family's health. Every change adds up to a cleaner, healthier home. Explore Truly Free Home's products and resources to start your non-toxic journey today, and subscribe for more tips on toxin-free living. Comment below with your favorite eco-friendly habit or one new habit you want to try this week.